Writing code is the fun part. Fixing the builds, that's another story. Let's let Harness's AI autofix take care of that for you. What we'll notice really quickly is here's a PR summary. We're building a new large language model router, and the intention here is I don't want to have to spend my time iterating on all of my CI problems and all of my build issues. I want to spend my time writing good code. What this has gone and done for us is iterated through each one of the failures that we would have in a traditional build cycle, taking away what could be hours of time trying to figure out how to get my build to run. Each step of the way, it's showing you exactly what the build output was, and then ultimately showing you how it fixed it with the code. We can dive into any one of these and see exactly what happened. What we'll notice very quickly with this first one is it went and we actually failed straight during the build. If we fail during the build, it'll go ahead, understand the output from it, give you the code fix from it, and then iterate it on it again. The intention here, each step of the way, we can see every step it's gone further, what tests have passed, which ones have failed, and it'll iterate based on the failures that it gets. This one, of course, had linting issues, testing issues, and even security issues. So each time that it iterated, it goes through, fixes those, gives you the line of codes that it fixed, and then ultimately runs it again. This will keep iterating until it can either get through all of your fixes and changes, or if it can't, it'll let you know that it's gotten so far and you can come and manually fix it. With this one, it's actually gotten all the way through. And we can click here to see specifically. It took about 40 minutes to complete, but Harness was doing this for you automatically. Now with this last pull request, you're going to see every commit, every change. You'll see every line that was done, and you'll watch it actually pass all of its checks. So we can go through and look at all those pre-checks and see the actual success of every single one of these. Again, taking away all of that worst part of the job, having to go and manually go through each time and iterate, let Harness handle that for you. Migrating an MCP server repo from Go to Rust. This would be a large, arduous task for anyone to do. But instead, let's let Harness be that partner that's helping you actually do the tasks that you have to get done, but aren't necessarily your favorite. Here we can go and every step of the way, watching Harness think about the tasks that it would have to achieve, looking at all of the options that would have to be there, and then ultimately designing a way to get this done through a long period of time. The idea here is that this can sit here and run beside you for hours, for minutes, right? Potentially even for days, but allow it to do the tasks that you hate so that you can do the things that you love. What you'll see is now the migration task has been successfully initiated. It's going to give you the details of that task. It'll give you the scope, and it's built a full to-do list of exactly what needs to happen. You can view this link inside of Harness. And here you can see the exact instructions, what it'll take to actually do that conversion. And now it'll sit there and run and operate for you in the same capacity that we showed with AI Autofix. As it goes through, runs its builds, it's going to sit there, and every time it runs into problems, it's going to fix it for you. If it ever gets stuck, of course, it can alert you and let you know what's going on, but it's going to autonomously go and fix this. The idea here is autonomous code maintenance now is to handle all of the things that you hate doing so you can focus your time on the things that you love.